Hey everybody, this is Nikki doing a demonstration speech for Communications 115, and this is my audience. We have Poppy, Nana, Paul, and Assistant Reese. Hello everybody. We are here today for a demonstration speech on how to make Rice Krispie treats. As you know, for the majority of us, time is money. So when you want to make treats for your family or your kiddos, it's important to have a recipe that you can make quickly and that you can make easily as well. Most everybody loves Rice Krispie treats, from their snap, crackle, pop sweetness to all of that marshmallowy, ooey, gooey stickiness. And a way to kind of get around or a trick around that stickiness is to use cooking spray. You're going to spray your utensils. You're going to spray your pots, your pans, and your mixing bowls. So let's get started. First, we're going to take the cooking spray and spray a 9-inch by 13-inch pan. And we're just going to set that aside because we won't need it until later toward the end. Now, because of timing purposes, I've taken the liberty of already putting on the stove a saucepan with 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter and a 10-ounce package of marshmallows. And we're heating that on low heat until the butter and marshmallows are melted and they start to look like a fluffy cloud on a hot summer day. So we're just kind of stirring this up to get the marshmallows and the butter incorporated together. And in all of their marshmallowy, ooey gooiness and stickiness, these treats for your kiddos, they will love you to the moon and back. So while that finishes up, I'm going to take our cooking spray and just lightly spray the inside of this mixing bowl. And inside of this mixing bowl, I am going to place 6 cups of Rice Krispies. And now that this marshmallow mixture is all melted and it really truly looks like a fluffy cloud, I'm going to dump this in to our cereal. And now I'm going to incorporate the cereal with the marshmallowy stickiness, making sure that I take the spoon all the way to the bottom of the bowl and pull up and turn over. And what we want to do here is incorporate and make sure that the cereal is getting completely coated with all of that marshmallow stuff. And this is a great time for add-ins. Add-ins can be anything from chocolate chips, sprinkles, and even M&Ms. And my pint-sized assistant is going to give me a hand here. Today our add-in is going to be the miniature M&Ms. Throw those in there for me, please. Awesome, thank you. So we're just going to stir this up. Making sure all of the cereal gets coated with that marshmallowy, ooey gooey stickiness. All right, you want to go grab the pan for me? please. All right, that is all incorporated. So now we're going to take this mixture and we're going to put it into our 9 by 13 pan. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and spray my hands with cooking spray. Rub them together a little bit, get them nicely coated. And what I'm going to do is, working quickly, I'm going to press this in to the pan to get it nice and firm on the inside. Just like that. So now our Rice Krispie treats are pretty much ready to go. We will let this sit for approximately 20 minutes or so to let it kind of cool and settle. And after 20 minutes, you can take a sharp knife and cut them into squares, rectangles, whatever you like. Or what else is a lot of fun is you can take cookie cutters. I recommend the metal ones because they'll go through the mixture a little bit easier, and make fun shapes out of them, just like I did with these up here. And these treats can be covered and stored for 2 or 3 days, but just keep in mind that they will call your name because they want to be eaten. So that's it, you guys.
Oh.
Bon appetit.
Yum!
Forget yourself.
Ooh.